Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Shahadat Hussain, your English teacher. Everybody, welcome to my online class. And this class is organized by Waruk Rahmania High School, Waruk Sharasti Chatpur. Everybody, let's start a new habit and new lifestyle. Wash your hands after a few hours. Wear mask. Take green tea. Avoid milk tea. Dear students, you are staying at home, but you are given some questions to make assignment by the government. I am going to take a class for class 9-10. This class is suitable for class 9-10 and this is our English passport class. This class will help you to make your assignment. Dear students, you can see I have written some keywords on the blackboard and I have taken the words from Unit 1, Lesson 4. So, our today's topic's name is responsibilities. Responsibilities. Dear students, at first I will discuss about the keywords. Let's start. Number 1, responsibilities and its meaning. Obligation and its Bengali meaning, daitya. Number 2, parents, its meaning, father and mother and its Bengali meaning, pitamata. Number 3, neighbor, its meaning, person living next to your home and person who are living beside you and its Bengali meaning, Protibeshi. Number 4, citizen, that means a person belonging to a country who live in our country, that means Nagorik. Number 5, shelter and its meaning, protection and its Bengali meaning, ashray. Number 6, medical, its meaning, treatment and its Bengali meaning, chikitsa. Number 7, expression, its meaning, revelation and its Bengali meaning, prakash. Number 8, freedom. Number 8, freedom and its meaning, independence and its Bengali meaning, Shadinata. Number 9, skill and its meaning, expertise, that means daktata. Number 10, attitude and its meaning, opinion and its Bengali meaning, matanot. Number 11, game and its meaning, win and its Bengali meaning, arjan kara. Number 12, accept, keywords, accept and its meaning, receive and its Bengali meaning, grohan kara. Number 13, discharge and its meaning, far from and its Bengali meaning, sampurna kara. Number 14, fundamental and its meaning, basic and its Bengali meaning, maulik. Number 14, 15, protect, that means save and its Bengali meaning, raksha kara. Number 16, its meaning, society, the word society, its meaning, group or community and its Bengali meaning, samaj. Dear students, for your better understanding, the text paper, I am going to discuss about the text. You take your book and open page at 11. You can take your pencil and remark the keywords. I will explain the words. Let's start. Lesson 4, responsibilities. What is responsibilities? That means you have to do some things. First, read the text. Ronnie's mother gave him 50 taka to buy salt and chilies. Ronnie's mother here. That's character name here. Ronnie and his boy. His mother gave him 50 taka to buy salt and chilies. On his way to the market, Ronnie found a footpasser by trying to hold a boy up who was lying on the road, groaning. When he was going to market, he saw a passerby and he trying to head off a boy who was lying on the road and groaning. Groaning, that means he is very ill and it is a sound of illness. Coming near, Ronnie saw that it was his classmate Tanim. The boy was his classmate and his name was Tanim, who was hit by a speeding motorbike. That means they caused an accident, and the name of the boy was Tanim, and he was Ronnie's friend or classmate. Immediately, he stopped a baby taxi and took Tanim to a clinic. That was his responsibilities because the boy was the friend or classmate of Ronnie's. From there, he found Tanim's parents. When they came to the clinic, Ronnie returned home without the salt and chilies. The narrator explains that Ronnie returned his home, but he could not carry his chilies and salt. But his mother gave him 50 taka to buy some things. That means salt and chilies he had used to money to pay the taxi driver. Ronnie spent his money because he paid the taxi driver's rent, so he could not buy chilies and salt. Now discuss in groups the following questions, dear students. I hope you will discuss and you write the answers, and I am going to the next part B. Read the text and answer the following questions. What is responsibility? A responsibility is a duty or an obligation to do something. Here I have mentioned before it. What is responsibility? Obligation, that means daitya. We have to do many words, but all the words is not responsibility. For example, you have the responsibility to attend school. Since you are a student, you have many responsibility to school. At first, you have to come your school. You have the responsibility not to steal a book from public library. You should not steal a book from our school library, and it is not your responsibility. And we should not file up some things on the roads, and it is also not our responsibility. File up your building materials on the footpath. These are our responsibilities as citizens. since we are living in Bangladesh, so it is not our duty to file up something on the road. But there are responsibilities of the government as well. You are a citizen because you are living in this country by birth, so you have some responsibilities to your country. As a student, you have some responsibilities to your school, and like same way, since you are a citizen of Bangladesh, so you have some responsibilities to your country. Our government has the responsibility to provide for our citizens the basic necessities of life, including food, clothing, shelter, education and medical care. Like ours, the government has some responsibilities to us because we are the citizen of her country or his country. That means government have to fulfill our basic needs or fundamental needs. That means food, shelter, clothing, education and medical care. The government also has the responsibility to protect the fundamental rights of its citizens, and it is all these are all fundamental rights include freedom of speech. As a man, as a citizen, the government have to give up our freedom of speech and expression. As a citizen, I can mention any topics. I can mention good side or bad side of our country. As a citizen, if I can express this, and I can say that it is our birthright, and this name is freedom of speech, freedom of press. Freedom of press, that means television, radio, newspaper, etc. All things are called all things are called phrase. Freedom of religion. As a citizen, and a citizen may be any kinds of religion, some Hindus, some Muslims, some Buddhists, but we have a right, and this right's name is freedom of religion, or right of religion, equality and before law, etc. The knowledge, skills and attitudes you have gained at home, at school and in society, you have to be aware of your responsibilities and to carry them out effectively. Dear students, if you take part in my online class, and you can gain some knowledge, and you can express, or you can affect, or you can use it in your practical life. And since you are citizen, or you are living in Bangladesh or society, you are a statement or society, you are living in society, you can, without school or institution, you can gain, and then there are many kinds of knowledge from practical, by seeing, by doing, etc. And you can use it in your practical life. Here the author or narrator expresses this. Remember, discharging your responsibilities will be good for you. Here, discharge means far from, sampurna kara. If you can gather or gain knowledge, and you can perform your practical or daily life, you can make a shine, you can make a fulfill or complete life, and you can shine your life. And this will be good for your life, for your family, for your country, and for your friends, and good for your society and country as a whole. That means we will get the benefit all of us and our society and our friends and our country. Dear students, now I am going to part C, discuss in group and write answers to these questions. Number 1, which persons and institutions do you have responsibilities for? Make a list. The list in the list done for the first in the list is done for you, A. Parents. Which persons and institutions do you have responsibilities for? As a student, you have responsibilities to your school. As a citizen, you have the responsibilities as a citizen to your country, and as a child, as a member of your family, you have some responsibilities to your family. And here, parents, it is mentioned, parents and school, society, you can make a list. Number 2, make a list of responsibilities to have a student at home, school and in society. Dear students, you have many responsibilities to your school. At first, you have to come to your school at time, and next you have to clean your classroom. You have to clean your classroom, and you will not destroy or you ruin your bench, table or windows, door, etc. And next, you will not misbehave with your friends. It is your responsibility as a student, and I hope you will write down it. And next, make another list of things of should not do at home, school and in society. List of things you shouldn't do it at home. You will make a list in your, you will not this it in school, in home and in your society. You will not do this. At first you don't call. Since you are living in home or village or in family, there are many persons with you, so you don't make a call. It is your first obligation that you will not, you should not do this, and you will make a list. Dear students, how do you get help from discharge the responsibilities you have listed in C1? How do they help you? Parents, your parents, he fulfill your fundamental rights, and your mother or father can help you in your studies. You can make a list. You will make a list. Responsibilities other people. Without father or mother or parents and your family members, there are many persons living with you. That means your classmates, your teacher, shopkeeper. There are many persons. There are many persons those who live beside with you, and you practically can learn or can attain many knowledge from this, and you will make a list. What rewards are you likely to get if you fulfill your responsibilities? Okay, number 7. This question is very interesting. As you are a student, you know that annually or before our annual examination, we count all the number of classes and we will mark which is your number when you attend in your schools in whole year, and we make a list number 1, 2, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and personally I give them some pens, or as a prize I give them some pens or geometry box, books, etc. What number 2 be, what penalties or punishment may you get if you do not carry your responsibilities? It is also a very funny question. That means as not only as students but also as children or child or family members, if you do not maintain your responsibility in your family, father or mother or any senior may you get punishment, and without hesitation you can make a list. Number 8, what responsibilities do you think you can perform when you go on a class picnic or when your school stage play as part of his annual prize giving ceremony? Dear students, we know that annually or occasionally we make a stage or dais on our school campus, and then the students will help the teacher to and they take part to build the stage, and then they will help the teachers, and it may be or in many schools our volunteers party or our scout teams, they will help us and they perform the works accordingly to our school manual or direction of the teachers, and we will give them prize. It is not a honorary, it is not a fee, but it is honorary, and they carry our order, and we are pleased by their activities, and many times we get them prize. Dear students, I am going to finish my class. You will be benefited if you see or you take part in my online class, and the class will help you very much to complete your assignment now on. So Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.